Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sports suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.